Hitome Senbon Zakura can be found in Ogawara, Miyagi Prefecture, Japan. Ogawara has been recognized as a famous spot to enjoy sakura in Japan. Only 340 km north of Tokyo, Ogawara is a part of the northern region of a main island in Japan. Along the Shiroishi River, 1,200 sakura trees welcome each coming spring. The Zaou Renpo mountain covered by snow help complement the natural beauty of Ogawara. The history of these sakura trees dates back in 1928. An entrepreneur from Miyagi Prefecture named Kaijiro Takayama donated 1,000 sakura trees to the town of Ogawara. Spring in Tohoku region starts around April, and sakura trees begin to gradually change their color. From train windows, visitors can enjoy beautiful scenery of sakura trees along the river. Sakura trees are symbolic of spring and life in general for the people of Ogawara. Some couples celebrate weddings and 60th marriage anniversaries by planting a sakura trees together, symbolizing their love. Majestic 8-kilometer long rows of sakura along the Shiroishi River are breathtaking. One can see a reflection of sakura trees dancing on the water. During the sakura season, visitors can take a boat ride on the Shiroishi River. In addition to sakura trees, there are many things individuals or family can enjoy in Ogawara. Fishing and paddle boarding are popular activities to do while exploring nature's bounty in Ogawara. For more information, please visit ogawara.com.